ways that brands happen on Amazon. So way number one is you can create your brand on Amazon using something called brand registry. Now that is the formal way of creating a brand on Amazon, and all that means is that you have registered your trademark for your brand, and then you have told Amazon that you have got a trademark for your brand, and then Amazon gives you your own what's called EBC, Enhanced Brand Content page, and your own brand storefront page on Amazon. So let me show you what that means. So here is one of my favorite companies on Amazon, NetRush, and you can see I'm on their page. This is their main page, okay, for all of their products. But if you look over here, look, they've got all of these brands. So thing number one, you can have, through brand registry, hundreds of brands that you control, all from the same Seller Central account. So one Seller Central account, that's all you're allowed, unless you're sneaky. But you can have hundreds, millions, gazillions of brands on that, should you so wish, all right? And that's done through brand registry. You can see, look how many they've got. These are all their brands that they look after on Amazon. So it's all done through the one Seller Central account, through their account, which is called NetRush, okay? So let's just go and have a look at one. So this is Vibrant Health. Let's go and look at them. Oh, it's because we're trying to get delivered to Portugal. They ain't interested in doing that, Asher boy. Here we go. So Vibrant Health. There we go. So that's now all the Vibrant Health products. Let's just click through. Hopefully this has got EBC so I can show you that shit too. So here we are clicking through, and this is enhanced brand content. Look at the product description. It's all very sexy and very nice. Enhanced brand content. Very, very sexy. All right. So that's one way of doing it. To do that, you need a trademark, and then you can get all that stuff. However, you don't need enhanced brand content to sell your brand or brands on Amazon. You don't need that. So you can just do it just by putting them on there and then calling your brand your brand. The thing that you don't get is enhanced brand content. You don't get any of that sexy shit. You don't get that. And you don't get, like, to do what NetRush did, for instance, where they've got all these different brands that they are selling on Amazon. All right, so you don't get to do that, but you still get to sell your brand. So let's go and do one. Where will we find a brand that doesn't know what the hell they're doing yet? Vitamin E, we'll find one in here for sure. Vitamin C serum, we're going to sort it via newest. Let's go find a brand. Sort by newest arrivals. Let's have a look, see. What have we got here? Popular by attributes. Look how they're breaking up this now. All the SERPs results page. It's changing so much. Unbelievable. All right, anyway, so this one's called, look, this particular brand here is called Mary Lavender. That is actually the brand name for that product. All right, let's just click through, and you can see, you know, it's the brand name because it says it on the packaging, Mary Lavender. So that is their brand on Amazon, Mary Lavender. Now, they could sell that under their Seller Central account, no worries at all, look. And under the same Seller Central account, they could sell another brand, hundreds of brands. What they don't get is remember that last time I showed you the sexy stuff, enhanced brand content? They don't get that. And they don't get what I showed you with Netflix. They don't get this, all right? Other than that, though, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. You can sell hundreds of brands on Amazon from your one Seller Central account. All you do is you just start selling them. It's that easy. It's a good idea to put your brand name for that particular product first up there. That's a good idea to do that. Amazon likes that. It likes selling brands. It trusts brands. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.